Here I have INFINIX Note 30 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool, which will help you to eject the SIM card and SD card slot. So firstly, let's remove cover. Kinda like this, like that you do it. So here you can find this slot. So what you have to do is to put this tool inside the hole next to the slot and slightly press it, and it will pop out. So here from this side you insert SD card, and from other side you insert SIM card. Here you have slot 2 and here you have slot 1. And then you put it back into your device, just like this. And as you can see, it immediately requires pin code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Wait a second, and also here you can see the notification issues with SD card, which is the proof that SD card is also detected. So yeah, both cards are detected. Now we can say farewell. So if you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.